guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jamie if you're new, and welcome back.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Javian.
Okay, so we about to go to this place called Southern Fire Kitchen. So we about to try that out. It's hot, hot, hot. I am sweating. But the game was good. I got there like around the end of the second quarter, beginning of the third quarter. It was good. It wasn't that many people though. So, yeah, but we about to go eat.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you ain't speaking good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. Fucking crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me.
So I've been at home for about 4 hours now. I got back like around 2. Me and my friend went to McDonald's. We wanted to try that, what is it called? I think it's called an adult Happy Meals. I think that's the name of it. But I saw it on TikTok, so I told her I wanted to try it. So we went today. Basically, it's just a regular meal with a kid's toy in a box. That's about it. So it wasn't really nothing. It's currently 6:55, so I'm about to start cooking dinner. I want to try this HelloFresh meal. We got another box that came, I want to say Friday. So I want to try this chicken sausage rigatoni. I love pasta. So this is how it looks. It only takes about 20 minutes to cook. The prep time is really short. It doesn't have that much calories. And this is their ingredients. Then it shows you on the back how to cook it. So it gives you step by step. So yeah, I'm gonna have this for dinner. Then we also got this. This looks good too. And we got this. I was gonna cook this today, but it's already 7 o'clock and it's take about 45 minutes to cook. So I'm just stick with this. It doesn't take that much time to cook. Or that much time to cook. And HelloFresh, they have some really good meals. Like some of their stuff you would think, I don't think that's gonna taste good. But it turns out actually good. And they give you just enough. And it gives you step by step on how to cook everything. So, yeah, we're gonna cook this one. So I'm about to start cooking, and while I'm cooking, I wanna start back watching House of the Dragon. I started back watching it Friday. I'm on episode, I think 5 or 6. That's when the characters change. I think they fast forward like 10 years into the future. So I need to start back watching that. It's really good. Y'all should watch it. If you watch Game of Thrones and you love it, then you'll like this show. It's just a prequel. What's up? Happy Tuesday. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be nosy. These two women arguing outside at the doctor's office. But my appointment is at 1:25. It's currently my watch is wrong. It's 1:10, so I'm about to walk in there now. She about to fight and she pregnant. So I'm about to get some lunch. It's a Chick-fil-A over here, but I don't know if I want that. I don't know what I want. That's all I saw was the Chick-fil-A. I saw a Publix. Well, that's further down the road. Never mind. I might get Chick-fil-A. I might just get a chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna get that for lunch and then I'm gonna head to school. My class is at 5:30. So I'm gonna just sit in the library and do some homework till my class start. So yeah. So we about to go to Chick-fil-A.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, I they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by,
next day, today is Wednesday. Went to Starbucks. I got the apple crisp oat milk. I've been wanting to try it for a minute, so I'm about to try it now. It tastes better. Hold on, y'all tilt it. I don't like it. I'm trying to stir it up. I don't like it. It tastes bitter. I taste the apple. I don't like it. Then I also got a muffin. I got the pumpkin spice muffin. Yeah. The girl in there told me it's not good. So we're about to see. But this is how it looks. So let's see. It smells good. It's good. It's not bad at all. If you like pumpkin spice, then you'll like it. But I don't even taste the pumpkin spice. And its filling is cream cheese. It's not bad. Okay, so I need to go to the grocery store. I need some milk. I need some milk and bread. What do I need it? I'll probably get it tomorrow. I don't think I need it. Well, don't want to make pancakes tomorrow. Okay, scratch that. So I'm just gonna go home. But yeah, y'all should try the muffin and the apple thing, whatever you call it. I wouldn't get it. Unless they just put too much coffee in it. That might be it. They probably put too much coffee in it. So I'm gonna go home and put some like vanilla syrup in it. Maybe that'll help it. Because it just tastes bitter. I got this meatball sub. It smells so good.
47.
Hold on. I got it from this pizza place. I don't know the name of it. But I always see people walk around on campus with this pizza. I'm like, it smells so good. And it's not that expensive either. I want to say like the slices are $2. Okay, this is how it looks. It smells so good. Like this all I be smelling around campus. So I say I'm gonna try it today. It's sticking to the paper. I'm trying to make it's good. What type of sauce they use? It's good. It tastes fresh. Mm. 10 out of 10. I feel like this vlog has been all about food. Now I'm thinking about it. It has. I really want to go to H&M because I want some pants. I want like some, well, I need a black pair. I want some cargo pants. I need a black pair, gray, a black, gray, brown. I guess I can do green. Yeah, I need some more pants. But I don't think I'm gonna go today. I might try to see if I can find them online. But see, H&M, that sizing is weird. Like some of their stuff, I have a small or extra small. And then like the pants and stuff, I don't know, the sizing is weird. It was weird. So I have to like try it on. I might go tomorrow, I don't know. But I'm gonna go home and I will see y'all later. Guys, this vlog is terrible. Like, I don't know what I have. I just know this week I've been recording stuff like here and there. So I know it's gonna be all over the place and I'm so sorry. I have been busy like all day. I've been working on homework since 9 this morning. And it's 6 o'clock. I'm still not finished. Then we got this group project. And she asking for too much. So I got that. It's just a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a video. And thanks again for watching. And then I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.